Welcome to The Pitch Session, a weekly podcast where we like to sit down and look at a real brand and over the course of 4 15-minute segments, look at their branding, go over ideas and concepts to help them grow through photo and video content, and at the end, wrap it all up with some awesome, hopefully awesome, marketing tips that they can better use their ROI and better tell their brand story. I'm Jason.
I'm Nathan.
I'm Hilda.
And together we are EO7 Media. Welcome to the show.
Ooh, that was good.
If you are interested on having your brand showcased on the pitch session, please reach out to us at pitchsession@eo7media.com.
You don't need to be a big brand or a brand that's years old.
I want us to have a marketing campaign just to get people to funnel into the show. This is so fun.
It is
so
fun.
Please email us.
It legitimately is fun.
I can't keep this all to myself. I got all